Hello and welcome to the section 6 of the course Metasploit 5 Reporting. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what are the various reporting tools are available and then how we can perform reporting with the help of these tools. So let's start with the first video, report generation. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is reporting and what is the process to generate reports. So Kali Linux has various reporting tools. When you will open Kali Linux in applications, you will find various reporting tools. And with the help of these reporting tools, you can organize the information about pen testing. So for example, you are working on a pen testing project and you have various information. So how you are going to organize it? So these tools can help you to organize them. Got it? So a report can contain these information. For example, a report can contain pen testing tools. I'm talking about a pen testing report. So first, pen testing tools. It can contain information about the techniques you have used, right? It can contain the screenshots. For example, you got the result and then you have taken screenshot. So you can attach that screenshot inside a report. So it can contain these testing screenshots and alerts. So what vulnerabilities you found in the network or a website, you have to describe it inside the report, right? So these all points are inside a report. Now if I talk about the reporting tools, so these are few reporting tools which are available in Kali Linux like People, QtCapt and Record My Desktop. So these can help you to generate a good report. If I talk about People, so basically People is a tool which can provide you information about a word list or a dictionary, right? It can analyze a dictionary and provide you a report. QtCapt, if I talk about QtCapt, so QtCapt can take screenshots of a web page. Record My Desktop can record your desktop session, right? So these reporting tools are available and we are going to use these tools in the next videos.